Hello children, welcome to your English class. So children, how was your weekend? Yes, everybody read the PDF of the lessons. Now you all must have got the books also. So children, you all have to read the lessons. Okay, whatever is taught previously. You all have got new books now, right? You will go through the exercise, find out the answers, and every day one task I am going to give you for writing in the notebook. So that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, children? So at the end of my every class, I will tell you some examples to write in the notebook. That you have to write in your notebook. Okay, so now as we are doing with the grammar lesson, I'll be giving you one exercise to be solved in grammar book. Okay, so let's start with our today's session. Okay, children. So what was the lesson that we were discussing? Yes, children, we were discussing about pronoun. Correct? What is a pronoun? A word that can be used instead of a noun is called pronoun. Yes, we saw how we change the paragraph into simple one by just adding the correct pronoun. Correct? Now for example, here you can see Thomas went to bed because Thomas was tired. Thomas went to bed because he was tired. So here instead of using Thomas again and again, we used he. Right? Same way you can see here she, her, we, them, all these are pronouns. Okay? Next we were going to study about possessive pronoun. Little bit of introduction I have already given you. Yes? But today we are going to study it in detail. Okay, so let's see what is possessive pronoun. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Okay, possession means belonging. Ownership means belonging. This pen is my pen, not your pen. Okay, so here that boy who is standing here is saying that this pen is my pen, not your pen. So what he want to say by using possessive pronoun? This pen is mine, not yours. Again and again he is not repeating the word pen. Okay, so he is using mine instead of my pen and yours instead of your pen. Is it clear, children? Example. See now, from each one of possessive pronoun, they have told how to make the correct sentence. Okay, this is very necessary, children. Okay, mine. Now for example, mine. This is my laptop. It's mine. So mine, you can see it is highlighted in red. That means it is possessive pronoun. Okay. Next, see yours. These glasses are mine, not yours. So what is the possessive pronoun here? Yours. Correct? See the next one, his. This is my brother's book. It's his. So here his is possessive pronoun. Correct? Hers. Next is hers. He offered to swap his camera for hers. Swap is exchange. So he offered to swap his camera for hers. Ours. I'll show you to your room. Ours is next. I'll show you to your room. Ours is next. So what is possessive pronoun here? Ours. Yours. The house is yours. Okay? If house belongs to me, I will say the house is mine. Okay? Are you understanding the difference? Mine, yours. Next is theirs. The ship is theirs. Okay? All these ones which is highlighted in red are all possessive pronoun. Okay, children? Do you have any doubt till here? Yes, children? Anybody, any doubt? Because you are going to solve exercise with me today. Okay? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So see the next one. Okay, here again I have made a table. Okay, this table is very, very, very important, children. See, you can see here noun. You can see the second column of possessive pronouns and example. Okay, so you all have to understand this properly because this will go in your notebook. Okay, so now let's see what they are going to tell us about the example. First one, hi, my name is Tesla. So here, I is a noun, correct? My name is Tesla. My is possessive. We all know my, your, her. These are all possessive pronouns. Okay. Now see second one. What's your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Okay. What is possessive here? Your. Okay, here you can see it is highlighted in black. Am I right? So here your is possessive. How noun changes to possessive that we can see in first two tables. See the second one. Third one. His name is Steve. Possessive pronoun will be his. Her CV is here. CV is resume. Biodata. So what is the example? Her CV is here. Her is possessive pronoun. The bird is in its house. What is the possessive pronoun? Its. I hope our lives will be better. What is possessive here? Our. Their house is perfect. Whose house is perfect? Their. Possessive. Okay? Cindy's phone number is 555 7896. So here, whose phone number they have told, whose possession it is, whose belonging? Cindy's. So what will be possessive here? Cindy. Okay. George's car is very expensive. Whose car is very expensive? George's. So here you can find in possessive George's is written. Okay. The child's school is too far from here. The child's school is too far from here. Whose school is too far? child's. Whose belonging it is? Child. So the possessive will be the child's. His dog's name is Papuli. Whose name? Dog's name. Okay, children? Have you understood? Various examples we have seen. Is there any doubt in this? If any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Okay. So now we are going to solve the exercise. Okay. Ready? Okay. Underline all the possessive pronouns in the following sentence. Okay. So now we are going to underline the possessive pronoun in the sentence. Okay. So first one, I took my dog to a dog show. First one, children, I took my dog to a dog show. What will be the possessive pronoun here? Let me see if anybody can give the answer. Yes, children, my sentence is I took my dog to a dog show. I'm waiting for your answer, children. I took my dog to a dog show. What will be the possessive pronoun here? It will be my. Yes? Yes, children? I will color it with red so that you can understand. Right? I took my dog to a dog show. Possessive pronoun will be my. Next, children, see. His hair was longer than hers. His hair was longer than hers. Can you tell anybody? Children, dog is a noun. My. My will be possessive pronoun here. Okay. Who took dog? I took. So, here my. I took my dog to a dog show. My is possessive pronoun. Very good. Manali. Second one. Second one, children. His hair was longer than hers. Here, his, and hers. There are two possessive pronouns in this sentence. Okay, children? Which are the two possessive pronouns? His and hers. Whenever you find that in sentence his, hers, mine, these kind of words come, they are possessive pronouns. Third one, I saw that her dog was smaller than their dog. I saw that her dog was smaller than their dog. So what will be the possessive pronoun here? It will be her, right? It will be her. And their. Her and their. Am I right, children? You all know the definition of possessive pronoun. You know the examples. So you can easily identify now. Someone asked, is that dog yours? Someone asked, is that dog yours? Let me see who can give correct answer. This is very simple. I repeat my sentence. Someone asked, "Is that dog yours?" Children, I will not be possessive pronoun. Mine will be possessive pronoun. Her is correct. Answer you have given her, that is correct. But I will not be a possessive pronoun. Okay, children, this is the difference we are studying between personal pronoun and possessive pronoun. Okay, so here you can see someone asked, "Is that dog yours?" So what will be the possessive pronoun? Yours. Fifth one, I replied, "Yes, he is mine." I replied, "Yes, he is mine." So what will be the possessive pronoun here? His. He is mine. Okay, children? Can you see? Can you see how I have underlined or how I have colored the possessive pronoun? I took my dog to a dog show. His hair was longer than hers. His and hers. I saw that her dog was smaller than their dog. Her and their. Someone asked, "Is that dog yours?" Yours. I replied, "Yes, he is mine." Okay, children? Have you understood? Should we solve some more? Yes? Let's solve some more. Now I will expect you all to give correct answer. Okay? See the sixth one. I wonder whose dog is the smallest? Yes, children? What is my question? I wonder whose dog is the smallest? What will be the possessive pronoun? Whose. Okay. Seventh one. My dog won a first place ribbon. So here you will find that my is possessive pronoun. Okay. Next. His ribbon was big and its color was blue. His ribbon was big and its color was blue. Can anybody tell correct answer for this? I will read. His ribbon was big and its color was blue. There are two possessive pronouns. First one is his and second one is its. Am I right? His ribbon and its color both are possessive pronoun. Now next one. My parents and I were proud of our dog. My parents and I were proud of our dog. My will be first possessive pronoun and our will be second possessive pronoun. Am I right, children? Yes or no? See the 10th one. Everybody thinks that one's dog is special, one's so easy to identify. What will be the possessive pronoun here, children? One's. Everybody thinks that one's dog is special. Next, last one. I'm sure your dog is special too. I'm sure your dog is special too. What will be the possessive pronoun? Your. Can you see, children? Whose, my, his, its, our, one's, your. These are all possessive pronoun. Okay, children? Any doubt in this? So should we solve the next fill in the blank? Yes, children? See, what you have to do, children, here, fill in the blank with proper possessive pronoun. Here at the top, you can see various options given. Mine, ours, his, hers, yours, its, theirs. Okay, so you and me together we are going to solve this fill in the blank. Okay, so are you ready for the first one? What is the first sentence, children? I paid for my scarf, so it's, yes, I paid for my scarf, so it's, yes, it's mine. Okay, children, what it is said? I paid for my scarf, so it's mine. So answer will be mine. Okay. My scarf, mine. Is it easy to identify now? Okay. Pick any one of these deserts. The choice is. Now somebody is telling you that pick any one of these deserts. The choice is. Choice is. Yes, children. The choice is yours. Right? The choice is yours. What will be the possessive pronoun? Correct possessive pronoun? It will be yours. The math book belongs to Ralph. It is. Now Ralph here is a boy. So what you can write as answer here, children? Yes, the math book belongs to Ralph. It is his. Okay, so the correct answer is his. All my brothers love video games. Playing them is a favorite pastime of. All my brothers love video games. Playing them is a favorite pastime of. Yes, children, favorite pastime of theirs. Yes or no? It is favorite pastime of theirs. It's not mine or your, but all my brothers love to play video games, so playing them is a favorite pastime of theirs. Okay, see the last one. We bought this game together, so it is. We brought it together, so it will be ours. Yes or no? So it will be hours. So can you see, children? We together have written all the answers of fill in the blank. Yes or no? Okay. So now, children, what I want you to do is, have you understood till here, everyone? Yes? All fill in the blanks are easy and clear. So now, children, what you are going to do? You are going to solve this 11, underline the possessive pronoun question and fill in the blank question in your notebook. Yes, children? Am I clear? What you have to do? You have to solve the sentences that we have discussed today and fill in the blank in your grammar notebook. 100 pages grammar notebook you will make. You will give heading as pronoun and in neat clean handwriting write and send me the pictures. Okay, children? So the top 5 children will get smiley card from me. So let me see who do it in a good, nice, neat handwriting. So I want all those who are watching me, I want you all to do this homework and send me the pictures. Okay, you can send it on the WhatsApp number also. Okay, children? So everybody is going to solve the exercise today what we have discussed. I am sure everybody will do it. So by evening 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. I want everybody to finish the homework. Okay, children? So I know you all are good children and you will do the homework. So with this, we end with our today's class. So children, hope to see your homework today itself and grab your smiley cards. Let me see who collects the maximum. Okay? So we'll stop here for today and we'll meet in our next class. Thank you, children.